Hook, 200 plus words. The use of AI agents in various industries has been on the rise in recent years. These AI-powered tools are designed to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. However, this has also led to concerns about AI replacing human workers, particularly in sectors where tasks are highly repetitive or can be easily automated. One of the main reasons why AI agents are replacing humans is because they are more efficient and cost-effective. According to a recent report, AI agents can perform tasks up to 30 times faster than humans. This means that companies can save a significant amount of money by automating tasks that would otherwise require human labor. However, the impact of AI agents on human workers is a more complex issue. While AI agents may be able to automate tasks, they are not capable of replacing human creativity and ingenuity. In fact, many experts believe that AI agents will actually augment human capabilities rather than replace them.
Deep dive 200 plus words. So, how do AI agents actually work? And what makes them so good at replacing humans? To understand this, we need to take a closer look at the technology behind AI agents. AI agents use a combination of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing, NLP, to perform tasks. Machine learning algorithms allow AI agents to learn from data and improve their performance over time. NLP enables AI agents to understand and interpret human language, allowing them to communicate with humans more effectively. One of the key features of AI agents is their ability to learn from data. This means that they can adapt to new situations and tasks and improve their performance over time. This is in contrast to humans, who may require training or education to perform tasks.
Controversy, 200 plus words. However, not everyone is convinced that AI agents are a good thing. Some experts believe that AI agents will lead to widespread unemployment, as humans are replaced by machines. Others argue that AI agents will exacerbate existing social inequalities, as those who have access to AI agents will have a significant advantage over those who do not. One of the main concerns about AI agents is that they will lead to a loss of human jobs. According to a recent report, AI agents have already replaced humans in over 30% of all jobs. This number is expected to increase to over 50% in the next 5 years. However, it's worth noting that AI agents are not just replacing humans in traditional jobs. They are also creating new job opportunities in fields such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. This means that while AI agents may replace some human jobs, they will also create new ones.
Future impact, 200 plus words. So, what does the future hold for AI agents? And how will they impact human workers? To understand this, we need to take a closer look at the trends and predictions in the industry. One of the main trends in the industry is the increasing use of AI agents in various sectors. According to a recent report, AI agents will be used in over 70% of all industries by 2025. This means that AI agents will be ubiquitous and will have a significant impact on human workers. Another trend in the industry is the increasing focus on AI ethics. As AI agents become more prevalent, there is a growing concern about their impact on human workers and society. This has led to a growing focus on AI ethics and the development of guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI agents are used responsibly.
CTA 100 plus words. So, what can you do to prepare for the impact of AI agents on human workers? Here are a few tips. Develop skills that are complementary to AI agents, such as creativity, empathy, and problem solving. Stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the industry. Consider pursuing a career in AI development, deployment, or maintenance. Support policies and regulations that promote AI ethics and responsible AI use. Educate yourself about the benefits and drawbacks of AI agents, and make informed decisions about their use in your life and career.